Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our beginners video series. If you are new to iPhone or iPad, then in this episode we are going to see how to find deleted photos on iPhone. The steps are same for iPad. If you have accidentally deleted any photos from the Photos application and looking for ways to recover that photo, Apple have provided an option for you to recover those deleted photos and videos for 30 days time frame. After that photos and videos will be automatically deleted. And in order to recover, right now I'm running iOS 18 version. The steps are same for earlier iOS versions. Like if you are using iPhone or iPad with iOS 16 or 17, the steps are going to be very much same. Only the user interface will be bit different. So scroll down a little bit to locate the recently deleted folder here. This can be found under utilities, and with iOS 18 or iPad OS 18, you can see the interface has more options, clubbed together under utilities. Which also contains the recently viewed, edited, shared, for you to easily find contents among hundreds or thousands of photos and videos that you have stored on your iPhone. So in this utilities section, you need to navigate inside the recently deleted. This will be by default Face ID or Touch ID protected, based on the iPhone or iPad model you have. Tap on the view album, and after the Face ID authentication, you can see the deleted photos, and it also shows the number of days to let us know when these photos or videos have been deleted. So after 30 days in total, you will not be able to recover these photos and videos. It will be deleted permanently. So within this time frame, you can select multiple photos or a particular photo, and then you need to tap on this three dots here at the bottom right corner, and then click on recover. If you give delete, it will be permanently deleted, then recovering is not possible. Also, if you're trying to recover any deleted photos and videos that is not available in the recently deleted folder, then it is definitely not possible to recover as per my understanding. I don't want to waste your time recommending some other file recovery softwares that promises to work. I have tried a couple of commercially available softwares and they didn't work. So only if you have the photos and videos stored in the recently deleted, you will be able to recover. Apple also implemented additional feature like a recovered folder that will appear only if there is any corrupted or damaged photos and videos present on your device. In either iPhone or iPad, if there is any corrupted or damaged photos, then that came during the transfer or when you try to delete and it is not permanently deleted, or leftover of the file is present somewhere, then that sort of files will be stored in the recovered folder. As you can see, recovered folder is not visible for me here because there is no such content that can be recovered. Check twice or thrice before deleting any content from the recently deleted folder. Once you perform the delete, it is not possible to recover the data as per my understanding. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to find deleted photos on iPhone and iPad, and the steps are very much same if you are using iCloud Photos feature. It will be again moved to the recently deleted folder on your device, and once you deleted it from here, whether you're using iCloud Photos or not, the data will be permanently deleted and it won't be possible to recover it due to the strong encryption that they have on the device. Thanks for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.